Hey, it's Spence from WPLaunchClub with your WordPress tip of the day. Today I've got a functional plugin that solves a real problem whenever you're using WooCommerce, launch flows perhaps, and any other sales funnel mechanism. You've got a product that you've turned into its own checkout page. You want somebody to be able to log in to make the purchase because otherwise you won't be able to track them as fully as you would when you're using WP Fusion or one of the other CRMs like Fluent. So how do you accomplish this and prevent somebody from being taken away from that product page to the My Account area when they log in? Simple. The previous page redirect plugin for WooCommerce handles everything with no coding required. Here's an example of what it looks like. I've got a product that I customized with launch flows using WooCommerce. You'll notice that there is a checkout at the product itself. So when I add the product in, it's just redirecting me back to the page. But I'm asking the person to log in if they're an existing customer. Now, if they go ahead and do that here, they'll be taken right back to where they left off so they can complete the checkout instead of being taken away to the My Account area or wherever else you have somebody directed by default using another redirection mechanism. It's a free and handy way to make sure that you always get people from where they are to where they want to go in your sales funnel. I'll see you on the next video.